So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to zoom in a page here on Google Docs. So let's just say I'm just going to go zoom in right here. If you wanted to zoom into your page because it's too far out or whatever, simplest way is to go to this top area right here to where it says zoom. You can go ahead and select what you want. So if you wanted to do 125%, 150%, or even 200%, you can go ahead and kind of zoom your page in that way. If you want to zoom it out, you can do what you got to do that way. I do believe there's other ways you can do it as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it's under, is it under format right here? I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it's under page setup as well. Not 100% sure either. But you can just go ahead, and the simplest way is to go to the top here to where it says zoom. You can go ahead and select fit. You can go ahead and go 100%. Do what you got to do, play around with it, and sort of go from there. But pretty simple. That is how to zoom in to your page on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.